All right, so now we're going to be looking at writing quadratic equations. Okay, this should be pretty stinking easy for you guys. So, number one is saying, what's the equation of a parabola with a vertex of 0, 3 passing through the point -2, 7? Okay, so what I'm going to tell you to do, type these in to your calculator. Okay, find the one with the vertex. Remember, the vertex is the very lowest or the very highest point, and that vertex needs to be at 0, 3. So one of these. Okay, and then check the table. Check the table and be sure it goes through the point -2, 7. Okay, so what you're going to do. You're going to do that same thing for all of them. Okay, you're just going to be going through. You're looking for the ones that go through those points. Okay, and also like on this one, number 5, you're going to be going through it and you're going to be looking for where the one that crosses through here at 1, 2, -3 and -4. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for one that crosses through -3 and -4. Okay, so that's the kind of thing you're doing for those. Okay, on the back side, I just want to go through this with you real quick. Okay, let's do number 7. Okay, number 7 together. When you're given a table, it's pretty safe to say that stat's a good option. So go to stat, edit, type it in. We have 12, -6, 9, and -7. The other side, 105, 33, 48, and 48. Okay, go to stat, over to calc. What are we using here? Are we looking for linear, quadratic, or exponential? It says quadratic, so we go to 5. Okay, where it says quadratic or regression. So 5. Enter. Remember, A goes here. A goes here. -2 goes for B, and -15 for C. Okay, so we have y equals 1x squared, but we can just write x squared, minus 2x minus 15. Okay, so that's the kind of thing you're going to be doing there. All right, so you're going to do the rest of them just like that, except for number 12. Don't do number 12. Okay, after you finish this, be sure to submit your answers online and turn in your paper. Then go get your STAAR correction booklet. Do your STAAR test correction so that you can make 100 on your warm-up tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.